son. I'm back here. Me and my mom and dad is going in a truck today. So yeah, and my dad's driving, so I'll let you see him. Okay. And this is the view, but like there's a lot of trees. Could you see it? Now there's no trees now because it's now short. So yeah. So I bring my iPad and I'm wearing my hat so it'll make it interesting. So yeah. And my dad's driving there. So right in there. We just packed so that was just my mom's hair. That was not her face. Yes. So my mom is now starting to make her pretty, only me. So yeah. So I want my mom will make her face pretty now. And I don't like my eyebrows. It's kind of look like really weird. I look like a boy, but it's okay. So yeah. Oh, a nice springy tea. Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh, hi guys, I'm North and I'm back here. My mom look really pretty.
First time together.
My mom looks pretty and my dad's driving here. Look at the view. There's a lot of trees or also a house. Look at all the grown, not nice house or a really nice house. So look. And look. And there's all the view. This is the backyard. Do you see it? And I have a brand new nails. See? So after race, shall do the accessories and manicure to be did like cards. So yeah guys, so yeah. So it's time for something to buy now. Bye guys. Bye. I'm just kidding. So bye. Mommy.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
Sweet dreams.
It's a long bridge.
Yeah, you're right.
And there's, look at that.
This is not a beach. No sand.
The beach here, there's no sand, but it's still a beach. It's the same as in the Philippines?
No.
Anong dili sa New Brunswick kasagaran? Namay may ingana sa Sadyep na sa ingana sa.
Anong naman is Alexa?
I'm back here. I'm here in the beach today and there's a lot of sand. It looks like you. So this one is so grown and it's so slippery. There's a lot of sand. Mom, look at it. There's something crawling on you. Oh no. Oh, nothing is crawling on you. So yeah, so guys, so there's a Yeah. So I'm in the beach. I'm walking on the sand. There's a lot of sand. And there's my mom and there's my dad all the way over there. And me and my mom. Bye guys. This is it. Daddy, did you see that coming?
You got something?
Yeah, just
We don't have any clothes. Look at your daddy. Iba naman yung kinuha mo, daddy, kasi iba yung nakuha kay ate.
Magandang sinyalis yan.
Talaga nakuha si ate. Tingnan mo. Yan yung clams, daddy. Tingnan mo. Wow.
Iba yung kulay
Iba yung kinuha mo. Maraming butas kaya lagi nakuha siya. Ayog iuli sa kuan isod. Isod sa plastic, wait lang. Ay, dito ka, again. Sa Bisaya sa klam.
Kuhol.
Kuhol. Katong red?
Ilong purot pa.
Kana? Tagot?
Naanay gipuyos ilaw. Ilaw.
Say hi.
Hi.
Nakakita na jud mo beach there is Canada. Nakaanhin na jud. beach.
Hi guys, I'm back here. My mom's just holding the camera. So yeah, so we're in the bridge, right? So
Okay mga kaigsunan, naalang may ipakita nga bridge sa unahan. Muna gitawag nila og bridge sa Panama. Panama Bridge.
So my dad
Dili
is
kini ninyo makita sa Pinas. Ana ra kini ninyo makita sa gitawag og Panama. Panama Bridge. Sa unahan, bantayan ninyo mga kahigalaan. Ready? Bridge.
Oh!
Muna siya bridge. Kita na? Pero na pa bridge sa unahan. Para makita ninyo kung unsay porma ini nga maong bridge. Nindot ni siya kay tanawon.
Straight, straight,
Straight, liko.
straight.
Muni bridge. Muni porma sa bridge sa Panama.
In 600 meters, right turn.
Panama daw ni nga bridge.
Highway
Kasi ingon.
Panama Bridge. Nakadungog gumawa ng istorya sa mga kaigsunan nga aduna sa mga katiguangan nga Panama Bridge. Muni porma, perting dako taas kayo. Aha. Dugay kayo nabot sa thrilling kayo eh. Asa mo ng bridge ba?
right turn ahead.
Right onto the New Brunswick Gate Rail.
Wida gikan mi sa mong buot, pinakabuotan nga amigo
Shout out
sa Trakidi. Shout out
kay
kay
Paring.
Paring
Kuya Ferdy.
Ferdy.
To Highway 11.
Salamat sa inyong
Ayo.
kaayo ug pag-abi-abi sa among pagbisita. Karon naa kami
Nakasuway.
ipakita og nakaabot na gid mi sa akong giingon nga pinakanindot nga bridge. Taas kayo kay kaayo kini mga kaigsunan. Tanawa. Ops dara. Taran.
Entering the bridge.
Dara. Taas gyud kayo ni mga mao nga bridge.
Taglog
Naong
tayo.
kayo.
Oh, you are right.
Asa ka ni nga bridge no? Katong makatagan, comment below. Adunay price.
Ah,
Taas
para-
kayo, oh.
may
Swag
parapol.
yapon minabot eh. May parapol.
may parapol si
Asa ka ni nga bridge?
Oh, kabilang kita.
Bridge going to Lapu-Lapu City
Ah!
from SRP.
Mactan Bridge.
Kuya, saan kayo designing a bridge?
We're inside the bridge now, guys.
Yeah.
Mao na siya ang bridge nga susama
Really, that's a big.
pare-pareha og porma daw sa Panama Bridge. Kaya ba mo og Panama Bridge mga kaigsunan? Nakadungog ba mo ang istorya sa mga katuwangan nga adunay Panama Bridge? Mao ni karon ang among giagian ing ani og porma. Nya, human na.
Oh.
Mana to kita na mo sa bridge ha? Gitarong ba nimo og video? Maklaro ba ang bridge nga imong giagian?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
So bye guys.
Sa muling pagbabalik.
Until next time.
Bye-bye.